Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or set column spacing for different devices like desktop, tablet, mobile in Avada theme in WordPress. Before starting, like is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme and we are using Avada builder plugin. So this is our two column layout. So we are going to add column spacing for different devices. Now you see pencil icon edit. So click on it. And then you see multiple option, general design background, so click on design, and then you see column spacing, enter value including any valid CSS unit, so you can add column spacing in pixel, percentage according to your requirement. Now you see left, right, so we are going to add 4. So this column spacing we added for desktop. Now you see responsive, so click on mobile. Again you see column spacing for mobile, so you can add numbers. Now you see tablet, so click on it. Again you see column spacing for tablet. Now you see tablet icon, so you can add column spacing for different device like desktop, tablet, mobile according to requirement. And then click on save and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to page and refresh the page. So we added column spacing for desktop for this section. Now you see column space added. Now back to page. So in this container we added column spacing. So click on it, go to design, and then you see 4% for each side. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.